Welcome to the session 1 of fluid mechanics. In this session, I am going to talk about fluids and their properties. What is fluid mechanics? Fluid mechanics is a branch of science that deals with the behavior of fluid which is at rest or in motion. Fluid mechanics is subcategorized into three groups, that is fluid statics, fluid dynamics and fluid kinematics. Fluid static is a branch of science that deals with the behavior of the fluid which is at rest. Fluid dynamics is a branch of science that deals with the behavior of fluid which is in motion where the pressure forces are considered. Fluid kinematics is a branch of science that deals with the behavior of fluid which is in motion where the pressure forces are not considered. See, there is a difference between fluid dynamics and fluid kinematics. Both the branches deals with the fluid which is in motion, whereas in case of fluid dynamics, we'll consider the pressure forces which are responsible for the motion of the fluid, whereas in case of fluid kinematics, we will not consider the pressure forces which are responsible for the fluid motion. Next is definition of fluid. Fluid means it includes both liquid and gases. The definition of fluid is like this. Fluid is a substance which deforms under the action of force. If the fluid is at rest, we can see there is the force which is acting on the fluid will be 0. If the fluid is in motion, obviously there will be a forces acting on the fluid, but those forces always acts perpendicular to the plane. Next is system of units. Various physical quantities are measured in different standards called units. Basically, there are two system of units. One is absolute system, another one is gravitational system. In absolute system, the unit of mass is chosen and the unit of force is derived. This is also called as an MLT system of unit, and example for that is SI units. Basically, in India, we are using SI units. Gravitational system of units, in this unit of force is chosen and unit of mass is derived. It is also called as an FLT system of unit. Example for that is MKS system of units. M stands for meters, K stands for kilogram and S stands for seconds. Next is properties of the fluid. The first one, mass density. Mass density is the ratio of mass by volume. It is denoted by the letter rho. The unit of mass density is kg per meter cube. The second property of the fluid is weight density or specific weight. Weight density of a fluid is the weight per unit volume and it is denoted by the letter small w. Unit of weight density is Newton per meter cube. See, by using the definition of weight density, we can arrive the relationship between the weight density and the mass density. See here we have the definition, that is weight density is weight per volume. It is the ratio of weight by volume. Instead of weight, we can take it as mass into acceleration due to gravity divided by volume. Again, this mass by volume we can write it as rho into g. So W is equals to rho into g is the relationship between mass density and weight density. Next is specific gravity, or it is also called as an relative density, and it is denoted by the letter S. So it is the ratio of density of fluid to the density of the standard fluid. See, in case of liquids, the standard fluid is considered as water, whereas in case of gases, the standard fluid is considered as air. Okay. Specific gravity, it is a dimensionless quantity. It has no units. In case of water, that is standard liquid taken as, in case of liquids, the standard liquid is taken as water, and the value of that, the density of water is taken as 1000 kg per meter cube. The next property of the fluid is specific volume. It is denoted by capital V. It is the volume per unit mass of the fluid, or we can also tell it is a reciprocal of mass density. So we can see here V is equals to volume by mass, or you can also take it as 1 by rho. The unit of specific volume is meter cube per kg. So there is one problem which is on the properties of the fluid. I'll read out the problem. Calculate specific weight, mass density and specific gravity of the liquid having a volume of 4 meter cube and weight 29.43 kilonewton. Assume missing data suitably. See here, you need to determine specific weight, that is W, mass density rho and specific gravity S. Okay. So the given is volume of the liquid is given, that is 4 meter cube. Weight of the liquid is given, that is 29.43 kilonewton. You can also write it as 29.43 into, instead of kilo, we can rewrite it as 10 to the power of 3 newtons. See, to calculate specific weight, we know that specific weight is equals to weight by volume. So we can directly calculate, weight is also given, volume is also given, we can calculate specific weight. So in this, here it is there, specific weight is equals to weight by volume. Weight by volume gives the value of the specific weight of the liquid. So to calculate the mass density, the mass value is not given. So what we have to do, so from the weight value you have to calculate mass value. So we have a relationship, weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Weight is given, we know the acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.81 meter per second square. So you can calculate mass. After calculating mass, we can calculate what is density, mass density, that is mass by volume. Okay. The next one is specific gravity. Specific gravity is the ratio of unit weight of fluid divided by, or to the unit weight of standard fluid. So unit weight of standard fluid, since it is given as a liquid, we can take the unit weight of water. So we know the density of water is 1000 into 9.81 gives the unit weight of fluid. Okay, so water, standard fluid, that is 9810 Newton per meter cube. And here the unit weight of the fluid can be calculated by weight by volume. So which comes around 7357.58 Newton per meter cube. So the ratio of unit weight of fluid to the unit weight of standard fluid, which is nothing but the water. See here, we know the density of water multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity gives the value of 9810. So that is the specific gravity of fluid. Okay, so it comes around 0.75. So there are few MCQs related to the session 1. Try to answer it. Thank you one and all.